What if Apple finally made charging your iPhone feel as fast as it should be in 2025? New leaks just hinted that we might finally see that happen at least on some iPhone 17 models. We're talking about the iPhone 17 Pro, iPhone 17 Pro Max, and maybe even the ultra-thin iPhone 17 Air. These leaks come from someone who's been pretty accurate before Majin Buu. He just shared new photos showing what seems to be the battery setup for these upcoming models, and it looks like Apple might be preparing to fix one of the biggest complaints people have had for years: slow charging. The leaked images show two versions of what's called a stainless steel battery case. One is meant for the United States, and the other is for the Chinese market. The difference: the Chinese version includes a space for a SIM tray, while the US version doesn't. That actually makes sense since iPhones sold in the US stopped including SIM trays back in 2022, starting with the iPhone 14. But the really interesting part here isn't the tray, it's what these battery cases could mean for the future of charging speeds and durability. The stainless steel case is thicker, heavier, and more durable than the older soft pack designs Apple used in the past. Those soft packs were basically thin, flexible foil-like pouches that held the battery cells. They were lighter and took up less space, but they were also easy to puncture. That made battery replacements risky and more complicated. Now, with stainless steel replacing them, we're looking at a battery case that's safer, more heat-resistant, and tougher overall. Even better, it could finally give Apple more control over heat management during charging, something they've been super cautious about. See, most Chinese brands like Xiaomi, Realme, and Vivo offer ridiculously fast charging. Some phones can charge from 0 to 100% in just 15 to 20 minutes thanks to technologies using more than 100 watt. Apple, it's been playing it very safe, keeping speeds lower to protect battery life and avoid overheating. That's why your iPhone usually takes a lot longer to charge compared to Android rivals. Apple has always worried about the long-term damage fast charging might cause to the battery, especially when too much heat is involved. But it seems like the company is finally starting to trust better thermal design. With this new stainless steel case, it's not just about looking tough, it helps pull heat away from the battery, making it possible to charge at higher speeds without cooking the internal components. And it doesn't stop there. The leaks also mention that Apple is using new adhesives that could make battery replacements simpler. Right now, swapping out a battery in an iPhone is not something most people can nor want to do on their own, but this new case design might change